This is so pretty. We'll see about it later on. Hi, beautiful people. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to my real life vlogs, okay? Today is a good day. Today is a marvelous day. Do something good for yourself and always do great for others. Love yourself too. I gotta make some more turmeric scrub. We're almost out, but I gotta find some, there's actually something I have to buy to make it. Everything else I have. But, oh guys, I am getting ready to get up out of here. Okay? I'm gonna bring you guys along my day and all that jazz. So we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a minute, but I hope you guys enjoyed my lives. I don't know if I overwhelmed y'all. This is coconut oil. I think I overwhelmed y'all with the lives. I think I did. We're gonna see. I'm gonna test it out. I'm testing it out to see. I'm almost done with my hello. Y'all look, I ain't playing. I get down in there. Don't just throw your toothpaste away. You be throwing your money away. Look at all that. See what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so let me brush my teeth, do my face and all that jazz, and then I'll come back, all right? Hopefully y'all can see me really good. About to wipe this stuff off my face with some cold water. Ooh. Ooh. And whatever water I have left, I just put it on my hair, y'all. Like, really. The hair is hairy. Look at that. Look at that. You'll see them waves in there. Ooh. Get your life together, Sonia. I am. I'm trying. I'm trying to do that. How y'all do that? Bounce back. Bounce back. Okay. Dime Hyperglow. Somebody was asking me, you just put it here, put on your neck. Like that. Upward motion. Upward motion. Y'all, something freaking bit me. Can y'all see that? Something bit me. There's a little thing right there. But it swole my, no, there it is. Right there. It swole my arm up like crazy. I don't know what it was. I'm about to put on some jojoba oil on my face. A little bit for my lip. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that was that bit me. But I tell you one thing. I'm not pleased with it. And y'all, whatever you have left on your hands, I put it on my hair. It doesn't make a difference. That's why I love using natural stuff, because it makes a really big difference. Castor oil, not too much. Because I'm learning that when I be using this, sometimes it get in my eyes and I can't see real good. So I gotta be very careful with that. You know how that can be. Uh-oh. Brush them up like that. That's it, that's it. Okay, take this brush. My hair looks straight, y'all, for real, but it's not. I didn't put no flat iron, it just does this. It does it on its own. So I'm gonna show y'all outfit of the day as soon as I am done with my hair, okay? I'm gonna think, will that make a great thumbnail pic? Hold on, y'all. I don't know how I just did that. I cut y'all straight off, but my ends, y'all, look. My ends are still, they're still even. So basically, I just used my little thing here. Make me a ponytail, then I plait it up. And then I take the plait loose and have it wiggly looking. So I don't know what we're getting into today, but we'll get into something. I don't have a lot of time, but I have some time. Beautiful. We haven't did one of these in a minute. I'll do a side by side of the outfit, but y'all seen the hair, right? I'm gonna throw in this gray cap. I just thought it would be cool because you'll get it. So I have on this Soho dress by New York and Company. Let me get y'all in frame here. And it has buttons on the side. It has this beautiful hoodie. And it has like ribbed on the sides of the hood. And it's ribbed on the arms and it's quarter length. I wish it had pockets, but it doesn't. And I paired it with my canvas Vans. And I think it was you, Chirpy Chick, who asked me about my lipstick. This is called Show Off. I don't know what's showing up on the screen, but what I did was I bought it from Dollar Tree. I cut it and I put it in here, okay? Because I love this e.l.f. lipstick case, and it's magnetic. Got to get it in there, but y'all know what I'm saying. It goes on there, and then I'm gonna add my Yara fragrance oil that's in this bottle here. Put some on my legs. And let's go. Tonight, ooh, make up loving. Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm glad I bought my jacket. It's only 64 degrees today. 64. The time is flying. The time is flying. It's just, I don't know, is it just me or is it something to think about? I'm really looking at, it is already September. The year's almost gone. What's next? I don't know. I've been asking myself, like, what's next? Don't none of us know. But it seemed like to me, y'all let me know, drop down in the comments. Is it just me or do it seem like time is, it's like going so fast, like never before? I know I ain't the only one experiencing this. I know I'm not. Well, I stopped in the Vans, and y'all are not gonna believe what I found. They got the music blasting, so I'm not gonna be able to really be on here for a long time. But later on, I'll show y'all what I end up picking up. All right. Look at these. Y'all see these mirrors that Walmart got for $48? No, yeah, $47.88. Well, it's like walnut round. Let's see what else they got going on. Look at this. This is beautiful. They got the nicest. Y'all, Walmart got it going on. And you know what? When I was in Virginia, I should have took y'all in that Walmart. That Walmart looked just like a Home Goods. Like a Home Goods or one of them home stores. I was like, what? I was looking at their rugs. I ain't into the fluffy ones. Y'all remember everybody liked the fluffy ones, but I actually geared towards more like this design. I don't need one, but I came here to get this right here. Y'all see my baby? Look at the bunny rabbit. Oh my God, look at the bunny rabbit. Do y'all see it? Oh my gosh, hold on. Look, y'all, look. Oh my God, they're so cute. I can't believe it ain't running. But let me show y'all something. Now, my neighbor's playing music, so I gotta hurry and cut this short. But look, y'all, I'm just now finna get marigolds. Look, one there, one there. Here go one right here. Why it takes so long, though? And let me show y'all what survived. Y'all look. Hey, beautiful baby. Do y'all see her? Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I guess it ain't scared, but look. It made it. It made it all the way. Look, y'all. The deers did not come back here. They're pretty. Look, I honestly think, look, she's going under the porch. I got pet rabbits underneath the porch. Y'all, I knew. I kept saying there's too many rabbits back there. I knew they were under that porch. I knew they were under that porch, so they probably been mating and getting it on all night, all day. So I'm switching out my plants, y'all. I'm actually going to get rid of this. I'm going to put one of these in a room that I think it'll look good in. So since the office get good lighting, I'm putting her right here for now. I think she's pretty either right there or right here on the floor. You know, so when you come in, that's what you can see. I think I'll leave it right there for now. And then this one is going to go over here because I really don't have nothing right there but the book for now. And y'all, I'm going to be using these little strip things, these little pieces of fabric onto this canvas, and then I'm going to paint it, and then I'll bring it back and show y'all. But I'm going to have to find some glue. I got some type of glue that can hold this. And then I'm going to paint over it, and then that's going to be that. And then this one I'm going to put somewhere else, which is going in here on my dresser because y'all know, I think I told you I'm doing a bedroom change. So you guys will see what it looked like. But I found the box to the flower pot stand. That's why I always keep my boxes. So here it is right here. I'm gonna put it back in here after I take some pictures of it and post it. So this area right here will be free and clear of anything. Y'all know this just folds up like so. I gotta wipe it down, but that's how it folds up. And yeah, got a whole free space to walk around. All right, y'all, we about to end out this vlog. So it is a beautiful evening. It's around 6:30. I want to go ride my bike. Guys, I picked up 2 things from the bins. Y'all gonna be tripping when y'all see this. Look what I found. A mic set, and it has all the pieces to it. Okay, all the pieces. And I Googled it. The highest I think I seen it was $38. There's all the pieces. The little fuzzy part, the 2 mics, the thing that you know, like it's like a transmitter, and then you have the other piece that you stick into your phone. So I got that. And I also picked up, y'all, look, I seen this box and I was like, okay, and then I smelled something. It smells really good. This says here is some clear dispensers for your shampoo and all that stuff. How come it says right here? When I seen the word brass right there, do y'all see the word brass there? Somewhere around here it says brass. I was like, So guess what? When I opened them, this is what's in here. Clear. Now they plastic. I don't like plastic. Y'all know I don't like no plastic. But I'm going to wash them out. So this is body wash. I like that one though. Body wash. And this one is shampoo and conditioner. I think I might give this one to my mom. Give these to my mom. I'm going to rinse them out, clean them out. So somebody just rinsed them out, didn't want them. But the kicker was, like I said, I like the fact that they have labels. They have real brass tops, y'all. Real brass tops. Look at this. Look at that. I got them. So I can put one on that pump I told y'all that has my jojoba oil, and then I can put 1 or 2 of them on something else. And then I stopped at Walmart, and I got 2 of the black matte acrylic paint. So guys, that's gonna do it for me. If you all enjoyed my video, please give this video a like, a thumbs up, share it with someone, a good friend, a cousin, a family member, and tell them to come and join Simply Natural Black Life. Y'all, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Always remember to do what? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye.